Trey Black, West Side, 83rd Street, Hoover criminal gang, nap basher, fuck clocks, nigga. This is Trey Black, Hoover.
Yeah. 9044 back, honey, rapping whore. From the 4 Trey to the 1-way. Straight line, front line with it. Hood to hood, we seen that was cute. You know, check it out. You know, it ain't no mystery. This folk, the gang was took. 1978, locally they were the scrooks. Robberies, copper keys, spinning G's and 3. Flatline, the brake line, over pushing the weight. Look, these are one things, smoking sack in the back.
Trey Black, West Side, 83rd Street, Hoover, fuck clock, nap, all the motherfuckers rolling 100, trying to clip us on a grove, or the bitch ass nigga. And for the motherfucking 50, ain't no peace treatment happening over here, bro. West Side, Hoover, Trey Black. Rascals,
okay, all that, everything to the hundreds in the back of the AK and all that, you know what I mean? This black right here, got to push the blocks back, you know what I'm saying? Push them niggas back, they already gone back, they taking on Washington, Ice Krispies, fuck all them. No, we going Trey. Threes please, you know how that go. Threes please. Bar,
get all that shit. Hit me up from Trey.
Hey Trey Hoover, Shady 80s, threes please. Big Black, hey Trey Hoover right now in the park grooving. My deuces and shit, foes and all that, you know. 102 when I die, gotta go and catch some clock niggas on time. Let's see a nap nigga with his hat turned backwards. Hit him in the head, watch his end do backflips. You know what I mean? Trades, you know what I'm saying? Grover, you know, nap bashing, that's all I can say. I'm out of here.
Y'all know that gangsta's right. That's the center of the earth. That sunburst orb. That's the top of the sky. Everything in between, we rule that. Crip shit. Y'all niggas ain't no
Look, nigga, you can talk that talk, just lay low, but you best be able to walk that walk. We ready to smash all these niggas who spin it but ain't with it. Why you talk about killing niggas when you ain't never did it, quit it? See where I'm from, you had no choice but to hang guns. For 2 days, come back, bust with the same ones. Phone 7-11, the hood is hot. Go through the tray, 4 tripping for your good is got. You might find me in the nifty spin, partying like it's my birthday with 50 cents to my name, man. The homies say stick to the game plan. If you get respect, then give respect. But if a nigga disrespect like this to set, you leaning all in your space like this to text. See, this the West. You see the white A-chap fitted on? I don't give a fuck, I groove anywhere with it on. It's tough. We hit corners on 3 with a gang of little freak-ass bitches on E. A real nigga keep a pocket rocket. The 4-4 Desert Eagle when I cock it. Watch it, watch it. Put clothes in your car door with it. Strictly groove, my niggas is hardcore with it. Yeah, nigga, we who ride, who bang, Chucks, blue strings, who sing, what it do, man?
Day when I came from the cold zone with mine. Reputation in my life, lay it on the line. Real spit, still grip order.